All right, guys. We're back. Me and Keith, they're just trying to figure out what way to line these bars up, because they're like, you gotta like do like top to kind of side to the other side. I don't really know how to say it, but I'll show you in a second.
I'm here too.
How's that salad?
Good, man.
Well, yeah, I'll show you real quick. So we're gonna tack these corners and these corners. There's a little gap here that will make it so we can kind of beat this one into place, because like it's not lining up perfectly, but I think it's just because we have to work top to bottom. And once we work top to bottom, me and him were kind of thinking that it should suck its way into place, and then once the main hoop's done, really we can move on, because the rest of the stuff's supposed to line up after the main hoop's done. So he's going to tack that stuff out, and then we're going to go from there. So I guess enjoy watching some welding.
Yeah, as long as it keeps moving, it should get to the point where
I'd say we're definitely in the lines.
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Just keep your eyes closed. Yeah, this one.
Here, do this end.
Alright.
Go ahead. Beauty. Do this end. And do that corner. And that one's done. Alright.
How's it going?
It's going good. I mean,
Oh yeah.
For a couple guys that never put a roll cage in, we look like pros at the moment.
What do you think, Keith? You like the kit?
It's great.
See?
It's really.
We try to give you good work, you know?
No, I mean he's applying technology to something. It's like I've done several where you have to do all that yourself. It triples the time.
I believe it.
It triples the time.
But yeah.
And you know, like the hoop one time, 3 hoops. The third one we finally got it right.
Yeah. But yeah, we're trucking right along. Honestly, like me and him held the plates in place and tacked those. Obviously, you saw that. And this hoop kind of like it only moves side to side so much, but you can line it up. There's like lines that are on like the bent parts of the plates. I don't know if they were meant to be there, but they make it really easy, like a guide to go left, right, and back and forth. You can almost sit the hoop on the back edge of the first bump down, and that gives you how far you want to go back. And those lines, it's about like 3 fingers on either side. It's perfectly lined up. And then you can move to these. You tack them in, and then we're gonna leave them hanging, tacked, and then we're gonna do the bottom bar to get the box centered where we want it, tack that in, and then we can move these up into place, tack that in, and the whole back X section is tacked, and we can like hit it off the tacks. He can lay it on his welding table, and he can go from there, and then we can worry about what we're gonna do next, really. So, yeah, this cage kit's the shit. So, buy one off of Rob. I can hold this one so you can tack it.
And now I guess it's a question of where. I'll tell you, it's really shit.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
The button's probably the
I would lay one more. I would lay one more in the crack, like of the. Yeah, because this thing might.
Never forget about the crack.
Always wipe your crack.
The only drawback to the button is you gotta, if you're in a weird position, sometimes it's hard to get to the button, but that's minor compared to the.
Good to go. Somewhat. Oh, the X's?
Yeah.
I think we need to set this bar first.
Oh, that's what
I would think.
yeah. There was just one of them. Oh, the other one is on the front, I guess.
Yeah, the Halo hoop.
Okay.
Yeah, you just grab that up. You want me to squeeze this on Tyler's nipples? Sheesh, we did something right.
Well, you're a kid. Probably one
so we got a lot more done than I ever thought we would have. You know, so I didn't really expect to get that far. I thought the end of this video was going to be us just tacking the hoops on the table. Tomorrow we have to run the halo bar, like it's like the arm that goes down to 2 boxes.
That'll be next
It's not
video.
really. Oh yeah. Oh wait, this is an outro, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, yeah. So this is what you get. This is as far as we got. So plates in, halo tacked, the crossbars tacked. Really, moving forward in the next video, obviously we just need to finish up a few things to get it out of the car and tack it, but we got pretty far, and I'm happy with the progress. Keith's the man. He got it all tacked in with the TIG, and yeah, it's going well. So I'm really excited, and see you in the next video. So like, comment, subscribe.